Cell parts and organelles. Let's review what we learned earlier this week. 1. All living things are made up of cells. 2. All cells are grouped as prokaryotic or eukaryotic. And 3. All cells have organelles. So, what exactly are organelles? Organelles are organ-like structures within a cell that perform specific tasks and functions. So things like the nucleus, vacuole, chloroplast, mitochondria, cytoplasm, cell wall, and cell membrane are all examples of cell organelles. Let's take a look at the organelles in animal cells. Here's a picture of an animal cell. Notice it's more round in shape. That outer blue layer is the cell membranes, and it controls what enters and exits the cell. This gray area that you see is called the cytoplasm. It's the jelly-like fluid that holds and supports all the organelles inside of the cell. In the middle, this blue area is the nucleus. The nucleus controls all the activities of the cell, and it holds the DNA. This orange organelle is the mitochondria. It converts sugar into energy that the cell can use. Sometimes it's called the powerhouse of the cell. This little blue organelle is called the vacuole. It is a storage facility that stores water, food, and waste. Last, these little dots that you see are the ribosomes that make important proteins. Let's look at plant cells. Here's a picture of a plant cell. Notice it looks a little different. It's more square or rectangular in shape. There are similar organelles from the animal cell here that you can see, as well as new organelles that are unique only to plants. Notice we still have that blue layer of the cell membrane that controls what enters and exits the cell. Plant cells also have a cytoplasm, the jelly fluid that holds and supports all the organelles. Plant cells have a nucleus that controls all cell activities and holds DNA. Plant cells also have a mitochondria that converts sugar into energy so the cell can use that energy to function. Plants also have a vacuole that stores water, food, and waste. Notice that the vacuole is larger in a plant cell. Plants also have ribosomes that make important proteins. Notice this outer green area that you see surrounding the plant cell. This is called the cell wall. It's composed of cellulose and gives structure and protection to the cell. It is unique to the plant cell and only found in plant cells. Last, we see this other green structure called a chloroplast. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll. It converts sun energy into light energy. It's the site of photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are only found in plant cells. Want a copy of these notes? Go to our class Teams. Click on the Files tab, click on the Week 5 folder, and open the Cell Parts notes.